In today's video, I will teach you how to create a dark surreal image in GIMP. Let's get started. Creating a surreal photo art in GIMP can be an exciting and creative endeavor. I'll guide you through the process of transforming a regular portrait into a surreal and visually captivating piece of art using various tools and techniques in GIMP. Start by selecting a portrait photo that you want to transform into a surreal artwork. Look for a photo with interesting features and good lighting to serve as the base for your creation. Then launch GIMP and open the chosen portrait by going to File, then Open. In the Layers panel, right-click on the background layer and select Duplicate Layer. This will create a copy of the original image layer, which you can work on without altering the original. Then experiment with color adjustments to create a surreal atmosphere. You can use tools like curves, levels, and color balance to manipulate the colors and tones of the image. Play with saturation, contrast, and hues to achieve the desired surreal effect. To add depth and texture to your portrait, import texture images or patterns into GIMP and place them above the duplicated layer. Experiment with blending modes and layer opacity to integrate the texture seamlessly into the portrait. Apply artistic filters and effects to enhance the surreal aspect of your portrait. Experiment with filters like Oilify, gimmick artistic filters, and distorts to add unique and abstract elements to the image. Don't be afraid to experiment with different settings and combinations to achieve the desired surreal look. Use GIMP's drawing and painting tools to add abstract elements and shapes to the portrait. You can use brushes, paths, and shapes to create surreal patterns, symbols, or objects that interact with the portrait subject. Utilize layer mask to blend different elements seamlessly and create smooth transitions between layers. Use brushes and gradients to mask out parts of the layers, revealing or hiding specific areas of the image as needed. Enhance the surreal atmosphere of the portrait by adding lighting and glowing effects. Use the dodge and burn tools to create highlights and shadows. And experiment with layer blending modes like overlay or soft light to add a glowing effect to certain areas of the image. And take some time to fine-tune the details and overall composition of your surreal portrait. Make any necessary adjustments to colors, contrast, and composition to ensure that the artwork achieves the desired surreal effect. Step back and review your creation to make sure it captures the mood and atmosphere that you've envisioned. And once you're satisfied with the final result, save your surreal portrait artwork in your preferred file format to preserve and share your creative masterpiece. By following these steps and unleashing your creativity, you can transform a regular portrait photo into a captivating and surreal piece of art using GIMP. Experiment with different techniques, effects, and styles to create a unique and visually stunning artwork that reflects your artistic vision. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.